Hey guys! Today we're at Six Flags, but today we spotted a cloud that looks like a tornado. It's so cool. It's so cool. It has a tornado. It's like a tornado thing, kind of. And yeah, it's kind of like a tornado. And at the bottom there, it kind of doesn't look like a tornado anymore, but it still looks like a cool tornado. Yo, that's so cool. I love this. What's it called? Tornado cloud. We're gonna call it the tornado cloud. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.